I'm not really too sure what we're gonna be doing today because our vise is broken. Other vise that we have is just too small. We just gotta hammer them out. The only thing about hammering them out is it's like impossible, you know? Let me show you something here real quick. PB blaster can get all the bearings and stuff unfroze. Can't use the vise.
Hattie. We let her soak for a while. We still haven't got the tool yet. We're gonna probably need it. Oh yeah, right.
Probably have to just go home and use the hydraulic press on it.
You got that? We'll have to go there then. That'd be way better.
I mean, we can get the salamander heaters going in the garage.
I just want to take a little gander at something real quick. We're gonna pop this seal out. Whoa, if I don't get my finger first. There's the bearings. I think these are gonna be a lot easier than that. And then we'll clean these up too.
Yeah, because I don't have replacements for those.
All right, I need to get this other dust cover out.
I don't think we do.
Yeah, because that washer wasn't notched or nothing, was it?
Everything all comes in a pack.
Okay, cool. Watch it being exactly a 1 inch. I'll be darned. It moved.
Kind of sounds like it's catching almost.
Yeah, it sounds like it's bottoming out.
So this is the contraption. We have to go all the way through from the top and punch it from the inside and go outside because this ring here is a bigger diameter than the inside.
Yeah, already. Oh. Out pretty easily. Ow! That's what she said. Heck yeah.
2 washers, 2 bearings, 2 more washers.
There wasn't even 3.
This is like bigger than the inside. This must be the inside.
That's
right?
it. Yeah, so you got 1 dust cover, so you got, I mean, we'll look it up before reassembly just to be sure.
Yeah, we'll pull up the OEM diagram.
So right now we're at my house. We needed to use the hydraulic press to be able to get these bearings out. It's really cold in here, so we got the salamander heater going. Had to go get some fuel for that. It's like 10 o'clock at night.
All right, we're pressing the bearing out, and guess what, guys? Seems to be moving. Either that or it's folding. We're about ready to find out. I think it ought to drive it all the way out. So just pushing it down in there. Almost to the next one.
Popping like crazy. Does not want to come out.
Sketchy thing is, guys, is how much of this bottom is grabbing. I use the square configuration to give it more meat. But the bearing's gonna clear right there. I think it's gonna go.
Hey, there's the first one.
Uh-oh. I think it peeled the first one. Yep, it peeled the first one.
Yeah, I figured we probably got one too big for it.
Oh, look how close it is, though. Ooh.
Did it get it bad?
This thing was so bad, honestly, I don't know if the tool would have. Hey, look at that. Look at that one stuck in there. Like, you can't even tell the difference between the metal and the aluminum anymore. It's terrible. I'd say that this part isn't that much. Well, that's frustrating. Wow. What a... I mean, are you serious? There we go. We're gonna try the easy way first, or well, not the easy way, but let's just say the more gentler.
Let me get this heater up. Man, that heater is so nice.
It's out.
That's fire, dude.
If our little linkage thing would have come out even half as easy as that.
We wouldn't even be in this room right now. Huh. Oh, it just disintegrated the middle part.
Yeah, I know, but we're... Dude, should have probably just left this alone, dog.
Through, baby. That was a lot cleaner.
Yeah, way easier than that other crap. 17, look at that.
It's like almost perfect.
I feel like, honestly, anybody that was in a shop, they would just tell their customer, they'd be like, look, it's not even worth fighting. I'm going to charge you more an hour to get them out. Probably better off just to go ahead and drop the $100 and such on a new piece and be done with it. And save hours, literally. I mean, because we probably would have been messing with that thing for way too long. So we know now, if we ever run into that again, we're just going to be like, you know what? That thing ain't been changed in 20 years. Skip that. Buy a new one. Time is money. Period. Like, that was like cake. It took us 5 minutes.
Yeah, that was not
5 minutes, nothing.
We get that situation, all right, we'll do it. But.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's what shops do. That's what we would do too. Like, if it was just completely, you know, unworkable, we would just tell the customer, like, hey, look, we're gonna have way more time invested trying to do this. We might as well just get some new parts, knock all the old crap off, put new on, and you're gonna get your car or your semi back way faster. Now we just gotta clean this up, and then you can see right where it was sitting.
I got some of those little brushes that you were talking about.
Oh yeah, but we did get something done. We trashed the part, but it was gonna be trash anyway. I think not workable.